Ever wondered what you would do if you were stranded in the wilderness with nothing but your wits to keep you alive? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? The vast expanse of nature surrounding you, unpredictable and unforgiving. Yet, it's in these very moments that preparedness can make all the difference. Survival, as they say, is the art of being prepared. And this isn't just about knowing how to build a fire or find water, it's about having the right tools at your disposal. Tools that can turn a dire situation into a story of resilience and survival. Today, we're going to talk about not just any tools, but 15 low-price survival must-haves that could quite literally save your life. These are items that won't break the bank, but might just help you break free from the clutches of a survival situation. So, stay with us, as we dive into the essential items that might just be the difference between life and death in a survival situation. Getting right into it, our first life-saving item is a water purification tool. It's indispensable in survival situations. When you're out in the wild or even in urban areas during a disaster, clean drinking water might not be readily available. This is where a compact portable water purification tool comes in handy. It can help you filter and purify water from various sources, removing harmful bacteria and contaminants. It's a must-have for every survival kit. Next up, we have a multi-tool. This compact device houses multiple functionalities in one. From a knife, a can opener to a screwdriver, it's your all-in-one solution for various survival tasks. It's like having an entire toolbox in your pocket, making it essential for any survival situation. Third on our list is a fire starter. In the wilderness, fire is not only a source of warmth but also a way to cook food and signal for help. A reliable fire starter can help you start a fire quickly and efficiently, even in damp or windy conditions. Then comes the emergency blanket, also known as space blanket. It's a lightweight, compact blanket made from heat-reflective, thin plastic sheeting. It's designed to retain up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm in cold conditions. It can also be used as a signaling device due to its shiny surface or as a shelter against rain or wind. Our fifth survival must-have is a first aid kit. From minor cuts and burns to more serious injuries, a first aid kit can be a lifesaver. It's important to have one that's well stocked with bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, and other essentials. Moving on, we have a compass. In a survival situation, especially in unfamiliar terrain, a compass is crucial for navigation. It can help you find your way and prevent you from getting lost, saving precious time and energy. Seventh on our list, a survival whistle. It may seem unassuming, but it's a powerful tool for signaling for help. It can be heard over long distances, making it a potential lifesaver if you're lost or in distress. Our eighth item is a fishing kit. Food is a major concern in survival situations. A compact, lightweight fishing kit can provide a sustainable food source, helping you catch fish from rivers or lakes. Next, we have paracord, a lightweight nylon rope. It's incredibly versatile, used for everything from building shelters, making traps, to even acting as a makeshift splint for injuries. 10th on the list is a survival knife. It's not just for self-defense, but also for tasks like cutting cordage, preparing food, and building shelters. Look for one with a sturdy, full-tang design for durability. Our 11th must-have is a solar charger. In today's world, having a way to charge your devices can be crucial for communication and navigation. A solar charger can keep your devices powered up, even when you're off the grid. Next, we have a headlamp. It offers hands-free illumination, which can be invaluable when you're setting up camp at night or navigating through dark areas. Make sure to choose one with a long battery life. 13th on our list is a portable stove. It allows you to cook food and boil water for purification, providing you with warm meals and safe drinking water. Opt for a lightweight, compact design for easy transportation. Second to last, we have a survival manual. It's filled with valuable information on how to handle various survival situations, from building shelters to finding food and water. It's like having a survival expert right in your pocket. Our final item is a signaling mirror. It can reflect sunlight to signal for help over long distances. It's a simple yet potentially life-saving tool. And there you have it, 15 low-priced items that might just save your life one day. Let's take a moment to recap these survival essentials. We have covered quite a bit of ground today, going through some potentially life-saving gear that you can acquire without breaking the bank. Each one of these items has its unique role in a survival situation, and together, they form a comprehensive survival kit that's both affordable and effective. We started with the multi-tool, a compact device that houses various tools, all essential for survival. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any survival situation. Next, we talked about the survival knife, a sturdy tool that can be used for numerous tasks from hunting to building shelters. Then we move to the fire starter, a reliable tool for creating fire under any weather conditions. A survival whistle was our fourth must-have, a simple yet powerful device for signaling distress and attracting attention. Our fifth item was the water purification tablets, a small and lightweight solution for securing clean drinking water. Following that, we highlighted the importance of a first aid kit, a crucial component for addressing injuries and preventing infections. Next, we discussed the survival blanket, a lightweight and compact item that provides warmth and can be used for signaling. We then moved on to the paracord, a versatile and durable cord that has countless uses, from building shelters to making traps. Up next was the hand crank flashlight, a reliable light source that doesn't depend on batteries. Then came the portable solar charger, a device that harnesses the power of the sun to keep your devices running. Our 11th must-have was a portable cook stove, a compact and efficient tool for preparing meals. Following that, we discussed the utility of a compass, a simple device that can guide you in the right direction when everything else fails. We then mentioned the fishing kit, a compact and lightweight solution for securing food. After that, we highlighted the duct tape, a versatile item with numerous uses from repairing gear to creating shelters. Our last but not the least must-have was a survival manual, a comprehensive guide that provides vital information on survival techniques and strategies. Each of these 15 must-haves is affordable, yet can make a significant difference in a survival situation. They are not just tools but potential lifelines that can help you navigate through the toughest of circumstances. Having these essentials at your disposal can increase your chances of survival dramatically. They offer a sense of security and preparedness, ensuring that you are ready to face whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Remember, preparation is key, and these items are a good place to start. We've covered a lot today, but the most important takeaway is this: preparedness is the key to survival. You never know when life will throw a curveball your way. It could be a natural disaster, a sudden power outage, or even getting lost on a hiking trail. In these situations, the right tools can mean the difference between hardship and survival. Think about the items we've discussed today. The beauty of these must-haves is they're not just for worst-case scenarios. Many of these items can be used in your day-to-day life. A hand crank radio, for example, is a fantastic tool to have when the power goes out, but it can also be used for outdoor adventures or even just tuning into your favorite station when you're working in the garden. Remember, a survival kit is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to consider your needs and your environment when assembling your kit. Do you live in an area prone to earthquakes or severe storms? Are you an avid hiker or camper? Your answers to these questions will determine what items are indispensable for you. Also, keep in mind that knowledge is just as important as having the right tools. Understanding how to use these items effectively can significantly boost your odds of survival. It's not enough to have a fire starter kit if you don't know how to build a fire, so take the time to learn. There are countless resources available, from books to online tutorials, that can help you master these skills. Lastly, remember that survival isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about enduring, persisting, and ultimately overcoming the challenges that come your way. And the first step to accomplishing that is being prepared. Survival isn't about the fittest, it's about the most prepared. Equip yourself wisely, and you'll be ready for anything life throws at you.